This is Jackson and Justin watching Noggin in the morning. Can you dance, Jack? Can you hold your brother? Can you hold him? Yeah. Oh, watch out. Watch his face. Is this your favorite, Jack? This is Jack's favorite. Bless you. Bless you. This is Brownie. Tell your brother bye-bye. Okay. You want a pillow? Tell your brother bye-bye. Tell your brother bye-bye. Give him a kiss bye.